Class, tomorrow I'd like you all to bring something special in for show and tell.
Maybe we should bring in a spell book for show and tell.
We can't do that. What if it gets lost?
We can bring it in. I promise we'll keep a really good eye on it.
Okay, but if we lose it, it's your fault. Class dismissed. See you all tomorrow. Yay! Yay! Thanks, teacher! This is my cat, and I like it because it's really cute. Charlotte and Evan, why don't you come up next? This is our spell book, and has been passed through for generations.
It may look like an ordinary book, but can pretty much do anything. Allow us to demonstrate.
Disappear, disappear from here.
Reappear, reappear, over here.
Look at that. They made the teacher disappear. We've got to get our hands on that book. At recess, we could take their book.
That's a good idea.
This is my birthday invitation. It's on April 9th, 1 to 3:30. I hope you all come.
I got it. I got the book. Great. What should we do first? Let's steal someone's scooter.
Disappear, disappear, disappear from here.
Reappear, reappear, reappear over here.
Just look at her.
Yeah. Where's my computer? Hey, you stole that book. Give it back, or disappear, disappear, disappear from here. Where did Senjin go? The book must remain functioning. We did the spells right. How could we not do the spells right? We said the right words. We have to try to bring them back. Reappear, reappear, reappear over here. Senjin? Senjin? Senjin, are you alive? Are you okay? It's worthless. We should try bringing back the people who are going to tell on us and see if they're okay. Okay. Reappear, reappear, reappear over here. We should return it to Charlotte and Evan. You have got to help us. There's something wrong with the book.
You guys are the ones who took our book.
We're sorry, but it's turning everyone into zombies.
You should have known it's too powerful to play with.
We don't know if they'll be able to help you, but we'll try.
Thank you.
Here they are. Can you give it a try? We'll give it a shot.
But you have to promise to never steal anything from us again.
I promise, I promise, I promise. Undo the brainless from the brain.
What happened?
Thank you for bringing them back. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I really learned my lesson. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.